Hey guys, this video will teach you how to start live flying in Terminal. You need to connect robot first. Okay, open Terminal. Input command to run this game. The command needs to be case sensitive. Press tab key to following keyword. Okay, press enter. The camera needs to be used to recognize color, so enable the image transmitter function to observe the process. Open a new terminal. There are two ways. Here text RQT tool as example. Enter command and press enter to start RQT tool. Subscribe this topic and others do not need to modify. Then return to the terminal for starting game. Go on entering command to start the game. If using tab key to following keyword, change false to true. To following command, then set the light color. The program defaults to follow red light, so input red in here. Then press enter. This prompt indicates successful settings. Now look at the performance. If you want to stop game, enter command. You don't need to enter one by one. Press up key to call the previous comments and change true to false. Then press enter to stop game. If you want to exit this game, enter the following command and press enter. Before exiting, Raspberry Pi's memory will be occupied. So if you want to start another game, you need to exit this game first. Okay, back to the terminal for opening RQT tool. Press Ctrl+C to close image transmitter function. If failed to close, please try several times. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.